Okay, so our next technique is going to be tea. What I've done differently here, that's not a great angle, boy. Okay, so what I've done here is this is the cranberry tea. It's only one bag. Cranberry as a flavor and as well as a color is incredibly poignant, so you kind of can't miss it. And you don't really want to overdo it. Again, it's even more acidic than regular tea. As you can also see, I have now lowered my oven temperature to 250 so that we don't have the same issues that we had. So, I don't know, yeah, so that little bit that's in there was boiling water. If you don't have easy access to an electric kettle that can boil quickly, super hot tap water will do the job. And what I'm going to do is just fill it up the rest of the way with cold water, which I have to get from the sink. So, my sink is a disaster. It's totally where I've shoved all my dishes, so I don't want to show it to you. So, super cold tap water. It's winter in Ontario right now, so super cold tap water is in abundance. There we go. Filled it up to there now. The string and the bag are still in there, just allowing extra time for it to steep. All I did was take off the little paper tag. That can be fun. That can go in a junk journal in itself right there. And then once again with the paper, I have it here. Fold in half. Oh man, this is a lot harder one-handed. And then fold it in half again. Now, if you are a person who enjoys really wrinkly paper, and I've done this for some of my more vintagey journals, literally crumple it up. Crumple it and then dry it. You can hang these to dry. That makes a mess. I don't have a kitchen big enough for that, just to be perfectly honest. And again, it's winter, so it's not like I can put them outside. You can blow dry them. That apparently makes them go flatter. That's totally fine. And again, putting it in, open side down. You just get it right on in there, and then you try to figure out what your mom brain did with the lid. What did I do with the lid? Of course, this happens when I'm filming a video because this is just my life. I don't know if you mom brain as hard as I do. I mom brain constantly. Lid, here we go, by the sink, of course, because I dumped the coffee out. All right, so you take it and you shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, 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 shake. And you try really expertly, once again, to one-hand this. And just to keep the mess down, I always open it over the baking tray. And I will tell you pretty much instantly, you're going to look at this and be like, that's not much of a color difference. And it's totally not, and I get it. It doesn't look like much coming out. I know the first time that I did this, I was like, well, this was a waste of time. But what you can do, and I'll show you this technique, is to pour a little bit over again. And again, this will saturate what's down below it, because you're just going to pour off enough. Again, this is the way that I do it. You can totally fill up this whole baking tray if you want. Just be warned, it will steam everywhere. If that's something that doesn't bother you, that's fine. Certain times it totally doesn't bother me, but like I just have enough that the tea just comes out to here. Because the more water you put in it, the longer you have to bake it, the more you risk breaking down the printer paper. Because it is such a low grade weight of paper, you've got to be more careful about how you handle it. There is thicker paper available. I'm still on the Save 500 pack page of printer paper that I was on 5 journals ago. You know, it just, for the price, it goes pretty far. And yeah, we're gonna let this go. Again, I dropped the oven temperature down to 250 this time, so I don't Bake my paper to the baking tray, which I honestly have never done that before, but of course I'm making videos of it today, so of course it's going to happen today, of all days, right? That's just the rules. That's how it goes.